Ni hao everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Chinese Fusion. I hope you are all doing well. Today we are diving into a useful phrase in Mandarin Chinese that you can use when meeting new people. We are going to learn how to ask which country are you from in Chinese. In Mandarin, the phrase which country are you from? 你是哪国人? Together, the phrase is a polite and straightforward way to inquire about someone's nationality. This question is commonly used in conversation to learn more about people's background and is a useful expression for making mention in both personal and professional setting. To tell others which country I am from, you simply say 我是中国人. I am from China. 我是中国人. For example, if you are from America, you simply say 我是美国人. You can simply change your country name in this scenario. If you are Canadian, you say 我是加拿大人. Let's break down the words. Me means you. 是 is MR. Na is which. And Guo is any country. Ren, person. 你是哪国人? And Wo means I. 是 am. 中国 is name of the country, China. And Ren is any person. 我是中国人. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Chinese Fusion. For more language tips and tutorials, also leave a comment if you have any question or if there's another phrase you would like to learn. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. 再见.